Welcome to the deep dive today. We're going to break down the most important tech and business news from March 3rd, 2025.
Yeah. Get ready for some AI disruption,
Oh, yeah.
some crypto drama,
Always.
and a peek into what the future of Web3 gaming might look like.
I'm ready.
Yeah, it's really incredible how fast things are changing these days.
It really is.
It's hard to keep up with AI expanding everywhere and crypto always changing and evolving.
Yeah,
So today we're going to try to make sense of it all for you.
absolutely. And speaking of AI, it's happening all around us right now. We might not even realize it, but it's there.
Huh.
And one of the stories that really caught my eye was this company Nextrope that is using AI to audit smart contracts.
Oh, wow.
And, those self-executing agreements on the blockchain.
Right. So think of it like an AI bodyguard for your code, basically.
Okay.
Well, smart contracts are really the foundation of so many blockchain applications.
Yeah.
But they can be vulnerable to hacks and exploits and, things like that. So Nextrope is using AI to analyze these contracts, and they're finding security flaws really quickly and super accurately.
So that has to lead to like a huge increase in trust in the whole DeFi space, right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I mean, imagine a world where billions of dollars are flowing seamlessly through these DeFi protocols, and they're protected by AI guardians.
That's
It's really the potential that we're talking about. And honestly, this is just the beginning.
Oh, wow.
The AI-powered design tool market is expected to hit almost $30 billion by 2034.
It's huge.
Companies like Futurecraft are building tools that make design super intuitive and accessible for just about anyone, even if you have zero design experience.
It's amazing. And AI is even disrupting spaces that you wouldn't expect, like cemetery management software.
What?
Yeah, cemetery management software using AI to optimize everything.
Really?
From record keeping to plot sales. I mean,
That's wild.
AI is everywhere.
Yeah, it really is everywhere.
It's touching every part of our lives.
You know what's interesting about all of this, though? It's not just the technology itself,
Right.
but it's really the impact on making things more accessible and efficient.
Yeah.
AI has the power to make complex processes a lot simpler and cheaper for everybody.
I love that.
Yeah.
Now let's move to something a little bit different. The world of crypto, which is always a little bit crazy.
Oh, yeah. Always turbulent.
Crypto.com is getting a lot of heat right now because they're trying to revive billions of CRO tokens that they burned previously.
Oh, wow.
Early voting results show that like 87% of people are against this proposal.
Really?
Yeah. So what's causing this uproar?
Well, at the core of it, it's about trust and control.
Oh,
A lot of Chronos users see this as a way to manipulate the market, and it could potentially devalue the tokens that they already have.
Right.
They're also questioning why they're creating this Chronos strategic reserve and how transparent it really is.
So there's concern that Crypto.com could use this reserve to kind of like influence the market and give themselves more control over the Chronos blockchain.
Exactly, and that's where the controversy comes in.
Yeah.
It raises questions about who really has the power in these decentralized ecosystems.
Right.
Is this something that they need to do to stabilize Chronos, or is it a way to grab more power for the platform?
Yeah. That's a great question.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move on to something a little bit more positive. Web3 gaming is really exploding right now.
Yeah, it's super exciting.
This company, Acid Labs, just got $8 million in funding to make games for social media that are built on the blockchain.
That's a huge step forward in bringing Web3 gaming to the masses.
I think so too.
I mean, imagine playing a game on your favorite social media platform with your friends.
Right.
And all your achievements and in-game items actually belong to you thanks to blockchain technology.
I love that.
That's exactly what Acid Labs is trying to do.
Yeah, their goal is to create these like viral games
Right.
that integrate blockchain in a way that makes sense
Yeah.
and, bring the benefits of ownership and decentralization to a much bigger audience.
It's really cool to see how the gaming industry is embracing this new technology.
It is.
And if Acid Labs can actually pull this off,
Yeah.
it could change the game completely.
Literally
A
game changer.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a bold move for sure.
It is.
I mean, it all depends on whether they can make games that are fun,
Yeah.
but also use blockchain in a way that actually makes the game better for the players.
Right. It can't just be a gimmick.
Exactly.
So speaking of blockchain, let's talk about Avalanche for a second.
Yeah.
It's this platform that's becoming really popular for building these decentralized applications. We call them dApps.
Right. dApps.
And it's known for being super fast and efficient.
Yeah, Avalanche is really interesting because it solves some of the big problems that other blockchains have, like Ethereum.
Oh, really? Like what?
Well, like scalability and transaction costs.
Okay, yeah, those are big ones.
Yeah, huge. And they use this unique consensus mechanism that lets them process thousands of transactions every second.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, and it costs way less than other
So
platforms.
this is like opening up a ton of possibilities for developers who want to build on it, right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I mean, just imagine building applications that are super fast, incredibly secure, and anyone can use them.
Yeah,
As long as they have an internet connection, that's the potential of Avalanche.
that's amazing. And it's definitely a platform that I think a lot of people should be watching.
For sure, especially if you're interested in the future of dApps.
Definitely. And speaking of the future, AI Tech Labs just launched this grant program.
Oh, yeah.
It's $1 million to support the development of AI agents, which is a super cutting-edge area of AI research.
That's awesome.
So for those of us who don't know, what are AI agents and why are they such a big deal?
Well, AI agents are basically computer programs that can learn and adapt on their own.
Oh, wow.
You can think of them as digital assistants, but way more powerful. They can
Yeah.
do tasks, make decisions, and even talk to other AI agents, all without any help from a human.
That's incredible.
Yeah, so AI Tech Labs is basically investing in the future of AI
Yeah.
and trying to build a world where these intelligent agents can work with humans
Right.
to solve hard problems and
Okay.
automate all kinds of stuff.
I love it. And this just shows how AI and Web3 are coming together.
Yeah, it's a really cool convergence of technologies.
Yeah.
And it has the power to completely change the world as we know it.
It's mind-blowing how fast things are moving. And it's hard to keep up sometimes.
It is, but that's why we do this deep dive,
Deep
to
dive.
help you cut through all the noise and figure out what's really important.
So as we wrap up this episode, let's go over a few key takeaways.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, so we've talked about a lot today. From AI, taking over the world to all the drama happening in crypto and this like huge potential of Web3 gaming.
Yeah, there's a lot to unpack for sure, but I think the main thing is to not get overwhelmed.
Right.
Just pick one thing that you're interested in and learn more about it.
Yeah. Find your niche.
Exactly. Maybe you
Uh-huh.
want to build dApps on Avalanche or learn all about AI agents.
Oh, or maybe like try out a blockchain game and see what this whole Web3 gaming thing is all about firsthand.
Yeah, there's so many possibilities.
So many.
What really matters is that you're paying attention to all of this and thinking about how it's going to change things.
Yeah, and that's what we try to do here with this deep dive.
Right, give you the tools and knowledge to understand what's going on in tech and business.
Exactly, because it's changing every day.
Every single day.
So stay curious. Everyone stay informed and stay ahead of the curve.
Yeah, the future's being built right now, and we all have a part in shaping it.
That's right. Until next time, keep diving deep.